Old seal, new seal. Old seal, new seal.
Only took 7 to 10 business days. Alright, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave, and you found do-it-yourself, do-it-right. Well, my Harley hat on.
No shit, Sherlock.
Standing in front of Charlene again.
Hang on, folks, you are not going to believe this.
Turns out, you know, you can go to Harley-Davidson, buy parts, and get out of there without spending $100. You know, HD stands for $100, but not in my case. So let's get into it. I got old Charlene out the other day, cleaned it up, took her for a ride. Been enjoying the bike. Really haven't been riding it much, you know, the last couple of years. Having other projects, other bikes, to include the road glide. Sitting outside, rode out to work this morning. But, you know, I got it out, I was looking it over, and I realized that I still have not changed out the daggone license plate lens plastic piece that's melted, and I'll show you right there. It's all melted down inside of there. Something that I guess I just forgot about it. And I got the bike out, was washing it up, cleaning it up, and I was like, oh man, I really need to replace that. So I went over to Harley-Davidson and had to order parts because you couldn't order them online. You know, 7 to 10 business days later, finally shows up. And well, I got those parts right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it all apart, put the new lens in, new gasket too, because there's supposed to be a gasket there. I guess that keeps the water out of there. And yeah, let's change that out real quick. Like, I'm assuming, by the looks at it, 3 Allen heads, and this comes off. You know, maybe then I gotta take this off. So I gotta take the bracket off, get the license plate, take the tombstone apart, just so I can put a new lens on it. So let's stop talking about it and actually start doing it.
Uh-huh. And how long have you thought that?
The whole time. I've thought that the whole time.
Don't exactly know what the right size is for this thing. It's pretty small.
That's what she said.
Too big. Try this one. Oh, there we go. That's the right size. And it looks like it's a 3:30 seconds for this. That's what this says. Who knows if it's the actual right one though. This is kind of my junk Allen wrench set. I don't know, does it say it on there? I don't know, good question, Dave. Does it say it on the Allen wrench itself? Nope, because these are, like I said, cheap Chinese Allen wrenches. Oh, I'm gonna little drop them on the floor. Good thing I put the carpet down, you know. Makes it easier on the old knees. Easier to see. Oh man, the pollen is just ridiculous right now. Pollen all over everything. I'm in the road glide. I washed it the other day and it's covered. It looks like it ran through a dust bowl. It's, you know, it's not good is what I'm saying. It's dirty. Alright, now let's use the old Alabama socket set to get this to get this loose. Of course, we're gonna drop all that also. There goes to that. And we're off. Oh, maybe I didn't need a new gasket. Oh, gasket's still there. Look, the gasket still on the inside. Who would have thunk it? Guess I should have took it apart before I went and ordered parts. This here is something special, folks. I gotta get you in close so you can see. You tell me how this little plastic lens melts around that bulb. How does it do that? I don't know. I don't know how it does it. And I just realized that that bulb is probably blown, and I don't have another one to replace it. At least I don't think I do. What's the chances that I actually have one of these bulbs? Probably slim to none. But let's go look. I don't know about you guys and girls, but I have basically a junk drawer full of everything, to include bulbs from previous cars that I've owned. As you can see, there's bulbs here. Well, I don't know. There's other bulbs here. Little bulbs there. I was hoping I had one of those small bulbs. What do we got down here? Well, those are fuses. I was hoping we had... I know I changed out license plate bulbs on the GMC a bit ago. I was hoping I wonder if those would be in the Nissan. Maybe I... Things that make you go, Bulbs acquired. Yeah, O'Reilly's is right down the road. Literally, I could have walked there, but I rode the bike instead. It's a beautiful day. It's actually warming up. I could probably take my sweatshirt off. But all right, I'm gonna open up this bulb, slap one in, turn it on, make sure they all work, make sure the bulbs work, make sure that light works too, which I'm sure it does because I hadn't gotten pulled over yet. So yeah, and then I think I'm gonna get something to clean up around this, because why not? I have it apart, might as well clean it up. Let's keep on keeping on. I like O'Reilly's for a couple of reasons. One, it's literally, like I said, within walking distance. Two, they send me these coupons in the mail. It says, you know, $5 off. So basically I got these bulbs for $1 and some change, because I save on those coupons that they send me, you know, email. Let's go ahead and flip the switch. Hey, look at that. We got the lights, and we got 2 lights. We got 1 light, 2 light. And make sure that the brake light portion works. That works. And yeah. I'm gonna go grab some spray away to clean this up, and we should be in business. Check to make sure that this seal is, yeah, I think it's double-sided, and that's the reason why the lens fell down on the light and subsequently melted it. So I'm going to tear the old one off, put this one on, so we don't have the same thing happen again. Look at this new lens. Look how pretty that is. That's really nice. And this goes there, like so. Pow! And then it'll stick up on there. Alright, so hopefully this will pull off in one piece and I won't have to get a putty knife out. Okay, yep. Well, it's going to tear off into a few pieces. Okay, well, at least it's coming off nice and clean anyways. And voila, it's all gone. I'm going to spray it with some spray away. There's some alcohol in this spray away. That's what, I think that's what works so good. A little bit of alcohol. Take the rest of that residue off. Doesn't hurt to clean it either. It was grimy up in there. Ooh, baby, I love your way every day. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, wanting to stick on everything other than what I need it to stick to. It's stuck. Now I'm going to pull this edge and stick. Oh boy, which way does it go? Does it go this way or does it go that way? Which way does it go? It goes on there like so. I think. Here we go. So the back, jam it up in there.
One eternity later.
It's there. There it is. See it? It's there. Make sure you put your lens back in. Oh, well that was, oh boy.
God damn it.
Should have put the lens back in before I put that in there. Oh boy. Well, you see, the problem here, what we have here is a problem because that one was so melted before that I should have put the red lens in first. So hopefully I can peel this out. Okay. All right. It wasn't stuck too strong, thank God. How bad can I mess up this simple task? Okay, let's try this again. Taillight lens with gasket in first, then put this bad boy up inside of there. Gotta go up in there like that. Try to hold that out of the way. Wish I had like 5 more hands. We're gonna get that centered. Stick it back up in there. There, that looks better than the first time I shoved it in there. At least you can't see any of the seal. Lens is in. Can't fall out. Let's put her back up on here. Oh, gotta get the seal. Can't forget the seal. Seal's in place. I'm gonna put it on there first. It's got like a little, it's like a little tab down here on the rubber, and the tab holds it where it's supposed to go. So then I'm just gonna slap this over top of it. And that's gonna go in there, and that's gonna go there. Make sure the tail light gets properly put in the seal, top and bottom. The seal, I gotta pull the seal out a little bit. There we go. Seal is in place. I'm gonna have to get a new seal, but of course it's gonna have to be ordered. Gonna have to get a new one because I tore it. I just tore it. It's always fun. So I'm gonna put it back together. This is turning out to be kind of a pain in the butt. Now we're cooking with propane and propane accessories. And just like that, folks, the lens has been changed. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to get back in there in 5 to 7 business days. And who knows, maybe I spoke too soon. It might actually cost me $100 by the time I get this thing situated back here. But that's I think that's gonna do it for this video. It was supposed to be easy. It was supposed to be quick. It was supposed to only take, 10 minutes to change. Ended up having to run to the store for bulbs and feel like I put that together wrong, and then I had to take it apart. And yeah, so you never can tell is what I'm saying, people. Sometimes little projects turn into bigger projects. Sometimes what you think is going to be a big project really isn't. It's just an easier project. So if you like this motorcycle stuff, give me a like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell when if you want to know when I drop more videos. I do have to say it's appreciated. All the new subscribers coming out of the channel, thank you. All the old subscribers that keep on tuning in, thank you guys very much. It's appreciated. I'm feeling humbled. But like you guys do at the end of all my videos, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And like always, till next time, thanks a lot.